Cryptocurrencies hold the promise of wealth and financial freedom. But behind the allure of digital gold lies a complex and energy-intensive process, crypto mining. This process, which validates transactions and secures the blockchain, has sparked both excitement and concern. Crypto mining has evolved dramatically since its inception. What began with individuals using their personal computers has transformed into a global industry. Massive mining farms, equipped with specialized hardware, now compete to solve complex mathematical problems. The rewards are enticing newly minted cryptocurrency and transaction fees. However, this rapid growth has come at a cost. Crypto mining's insatiable appetite for energy has raised alarms about its environmental impact. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate this burgeoning industry. The future of crypto mining hinges on finding a balance between its potential benefits and its inherent challenges. This essay will delve into the evolution of crypto mining, exploring its transformation from a niche activity to a global phenomenon. We will examine the pressing challenges it faces, including energy consumption, environmental concerns, and regulatory uncertainty. Finally, we will look ahead to 2025 and beyond, highlighting the technological advancements and sustainability efforts that could shape the future of crypto mining. The process was relatively simple. Miners used their CPUs, or central processing units, to solve cryptographic puzzles. The first miner to solve the puzzle would add a block of transactions to the blockchain and earn a reward. As more people joined the Bitcoin network, the difficulty of mining increased. CPUs were no longer powerful enough to compete. This led to the development of GPUs, or graphics processing units, which were originally designed for gaming but proved to be much more efficient at mining. The arms race for mining power continued. Soon, specialized hardware called ASICs, or application-specific integrated circuits, emerged. ASICs were designed specifically for mining cryptocurrencies and offered a significant advantage over CPUs and GPUs. Today, ASIC mining dominates the industry. Large mining farms, often located in regions with cheap electricity, house thousands of these powerful machines. The transition from CPUs to ASICs has dramatically increased the energy consumption of crypto mining. This has led to concerns about its environmental impact and sustainability. The process of solving complex mathematical problems requires significant computational power, which translates into high electricity consumption. This reliance on energy has raised alarms about the industry's carbon footprint and its contribution to climate change. The environmental impact of crypto mining is a complex issue with no easy solutions. The energy source used to power mining operations plays a crucial role. Mining farms that rely on fossil fuels, such as coal, contribute significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. In contrast, mining operations powered by renewable energy sources, such as solar or wind power, have a much lower environmental impact. The debate surrounding crypto mining's environmental impact has sparked calls for greater sustainability within the industry. Some advocates argue that the benefits of blockchain technology, such as increased transparency and security, outweigh the environmental costs. Others contend that the industry must adopt more sustainable practices to mitigate its impact on the planet. The future of crypto mining will likely depend on its ability to address these environmental concerns. Transitioning to renewable energy sources, developing more energy-efficient mining hardware, and exploring alternative consensus mechanisms are just some of the strategies being explored to make crypto mining more sustainable. The decentralized nature of these digital assets, operating outside the traditional financial system, has created regulatory challenges worldwide. Policymakers are grappling with how to balance innovation with consumer protection, prevent illicit activities, and address the environmental concerns associated with mining. Some countries have embraced cryptocurrencies, creating favorable regulatory environments to attract investment and foster innovation. Others have taken a more cautious approach, imposing restrictions on trading or even outright bans on mining. The lack of global regulatory consensus has created uncertainty for businesses and investors operating in the crypto space. The evolving regulatory landscape poses both opportunities and challenges for crypto mining. Clear regulations can provide legal certainty, attract investment, and foster a more stable and sustainable industry. However, overly burdensome regulations could stifle innovation and drive mining operations underground or to jurisdictions with more lax oversight. Navigating this complex and evolving regulatory landscape is crucial for the long-term viability of crypto mining. Industry stakeholders must engage with policymakers to advocate for balanced regulations that promote innovation while addressing legitimate concerns. Transparency, collaboration, and a commitment to responsible practices will be essential for building trust and ensuring the sustainable growth of the industry. The environmental impact of crypto mining has become a major concern, particularly its reliance on energy-intensive processes. However, a growing movement within the industry is advocating for a more sustainable approach, harnessing the power of renewable energy sources to power mining operations. Solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal energy offer clean and sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels. By transitioning to these renewable sources, crypto mining can significantly reduce its carbon footprint and mitigate its contribution to climate change. Several factors are driving the adoption of renewable energy in crypto mining. First, the declining cost of renewable energy technologies, particularly solar and wind power, has made them increasingly competitive with fossil fuels. Second, governments and regulatory bodies are incentivizing the use of renewable energy through subsidies, tax breaks, and other policy measures. Third, consumers are becoming more environmentally conscious and demanding sustainable practices from the companies they support. The shift towards renewable energy in crypto mining is not without its challenges. Intermittency of renewable energy sources, grid infrastructure limitations, and the availability of suitable locations for mining farms are among the obstacles that need to be addressed. However, the potential benefits of a more sustainable crypto mining industry are significant. Driven by the need for greater efficiency, profitability, and sustainability, the industry is witnessing a wave of technological advancements. One key area is the development of more energy-efficient mining hardware. ASIC manufacturers are pushing the boundaries of chip design to create miners with higher hash rates and lower power consumption. These advancements reduce environmental impact and improve profitability. Efficient cooling solutions are also crucial. Mining hardware generates significant heat, requiring sophisticated cooling systems. Immersion cooling is an efficient alternative to traditional air cooling. Software advancements are crucial for mining efficiency. Mining algorithms are optimized to reduce energy consumption and improve hash rates. Pooled mining combines computing power to increase chances of solving blocks and earning rewards. The early days of crypto mining, where individuals could participate with their personal computers, have given way to an era dominated by large, centralized mining farms. However, a growing movement is seeking to return mining power to the hands of individuals. This shift towards decentralized mining is driven by concerns over centralization and its risks to blockchain security. Decentralized mining promotes accessibility and inclusivity, allowing individuals to participate and earn rewards. Technologies like cloud mining and mobile mining are enabling this shift. The future of crypto mining may see a resurgence of individual participation. As technologies evolve, the power to secure blockchain networks could be distributed among a wider range of participants. The industry's trajectory will depend on its ability to address these challenges while harnessing the power of technological innovation and sustainable practices. One key trend to watch is the continued shift towards renewable energy sources. As the cost of renewables continues to decline and regulatory pressures mount, we can expect to see more mining operations powered by solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal energy. This transition will be crucial for reducing the industry's carbon footprint and mitigating its contribution to climate change. Another important trend is the development of more energy-efficient mining hardware and software. ASIC manufacturers are constantly innovating to create more powerful and efficient miners, while software developers are optimizing mining algorithms to reduce energy consumption. These advancements will not only improve the sustainability of mining, but also increase profitability for miners. The regulatory landscape will continue to evolve, with governments around the world grappling with how to regulate this rapidly evolving industry. Clear and balanced regulations will be crucial for fostering innovation, attracting investment, and ensuring the long-term viability of crypto mining. At the forefront of technological innovation. However, this journey has not been without its challenges. Energy consumption, environmental concerns, and regulatory uncertainty have cast shadows on its future. Despite these challenges, the future of crypto mining holds immense potential. The industry is actively seeking solutions to address its environmental impact, transitioning to renewable energy sources, developing more efficient hardware and software, and exploring alternative consensus mechanisms. Technological advancements, coupled with the potential for increased decentralization, hit subscribe and the alert bell to never miss our money-making tips, could reshape the mining landscape. making it more accessible, sustainable, and resilient. As we look ahead to 2025 and beyond, the crypto mining industry stands at a pivotal moment. The choices made today will determine its trajectory and its impact on the world. By embracing sustainability, innovation, and responsible practices, crypto mining can unlock its full potential and contribute to a more decentralized, secure, and sustainable future.